Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2017 Subaru STI. Sprint Booster is the original and #1 throttle control module on the market. When it debuted at SEMA, it won SEMA's Best New Product. Since then, it's sold over 2 million units worldwide. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out a wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So some of you guys may be wondering why you'd want a Sprint Booster. Well, like most machines from the factory, this Subaru here has got a bit of lag when you step on the throttle. What the Sprint Booster does, it plugs into your throttle pedal and gives you a 1-to-1 pedal ratio feel so that your machine feels like it accelerates quicker off the line, helps you merge onto highways, and if you just want to be spirited and drive around town, gives you a lot more response when you're driving, and also ensures that your pedal is dialed in, similar to what it used to feel like on a throttle cable, which most of you may have grown up with driving in older machines. So what the Sprint Booster does is plug in and give you 9 settings in race mode and another 9 settings in sport mode. That way you can fine-tune the pedal feel for what works best for you. So the first step in doing the install is to take your key fob and leave it about 10 feet away from your car while your front door is open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, you locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above that, you'll see a clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into your Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. But before you stick your controller onto your dash, make sure you check the switch on the back to see if you're in the manual setting, if you have a manual car like us, or you can just leave it in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car. Alright guys, well that's it. Thanks for checking out another video. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. If you enjoyed what you saw here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you'd like us to install Sprint Booster on. Thanks guys, have a good day, bye!